Okay, well, Absolute Green Energy is actually the third business that me and a couple of other guys, Nate Smith and Glenn Froring, have started, and it was formed in 2008 in response to just looking at what was going on in our markets and saying, hey, we'd like to participate in a business that actually has a contribution to make to the world and to the U.S. and to the environment and to us monetarily. So that's where it is. My background personally is I'm a mechanical engineer. I graduated from WPI right here in Worcester, Mass. I spent 5 years in the Navy, intimately involved with energy issues as a nuclear engineer for the Navy. And from there, I spent a few years as an automation engineer for a plastics company, and that was the genesis for me and Nate starting our first company, which is Absolute Machinery, which is a machinery company that basically specializes in plastic injection molding and auxiliary equipment that supports that. So,
interesting.
So that's kind of where we got there. The second company we started in 2006 imports machinery from China and distributes it throughout the U.S. And Canada. And over the years, I did a lot of travel to both Germany and China and observed a ton of solar power being deployed. In Germany, it's the largest market for solar PV. China is the largest market for solar thermal. So it was a technology that we really thought needs to be exploited more here in the U.S., and that was the genesis for making Absolute Green Energy a reality in 2008.